How's it going, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use your stopwatch and timer on your iPhone. Okay, so there are several ways we can open it. One of them is go to your clock app. Mine is right here. If you cannot find it, you can always swipe down from the middle of your screen and type in the word clock. So as you can see right here, the app appears. Just click there and we're open. Now, on the clock app, we have four different sections. Right now, mine is selected on the alarm, but we also have the world clock right here. And as you can see, we have your stopwatch and timer. So let's start with stopwatch, okay? So we have two buttons. You have your lap and your start. And right in the middle, there's two little circles, which means that there are two options of visualization. You have your digital right now. That's the left little circle selected. But you can always swipe left like so, and you get a different visualization. Okay, I'm gonna go to the digital for now, and let's say you're measuring your friend how long it takes him to run from one place to another. So you hit the start button right here, and as you can see, it starts running. Now you can either stop. Okay, as you can see, it's stopped at 6.66, and you can reset it right here. Okay, so now let's take a look at what happens if how to use the lap button right here. Okay, so let's say your friend starts running again. You say start. Okay, let's say he gets to point A, and you can measure from point A to point B and then to point C. So let's say right now he hits point A. You hit lap. As you can see, the chronographs continues to run, but right here you can see how much it took him to do the first lap. Okay, so once he gets to the next point, you can hit lap again, and you can do this as many times as you want. This way you can measure how long it took him to get from one place to another. But as you can see right here, this is the total amount of time that has been accumulated. So once the trip is over, you can just hit right here on stop, and that's it. You have your 48 seconds, right? And it's all divided in the 4 laps, as you can see below. Okay, and one thing I recommend, if you want to store this, you can make a screenshot by pressing down on the power button and on the volume up button at the same time, like so. Okay, and then it's stored into your pictures. Okay, I'm gonna hit reset right now, and I just want to show you the same thing but on the other visualization, just so you can see how it looks. I'm gonna hit start. As you can see, it's more analog. And then you can hit the lap button right here, and look, there's a little blue hand that now appears. Let's hit lap again. As you can see, the blue line resets, but the yellow line continues to go. So it's the same principle, but in analog mode. Okay, I'm gonna hit stop, reset. Okay, so that's the stopwatch, guys. Let's go to the timer. It's right here. Okay, so this is more if you want to set a reminder for a certain time. So for example, let's say you have your hours right here. You can just scroll up and set the amount of hours. You can scroll up on the how many minutes you want and the seconds. So I'm just going to select a few seconds for this example. Let's say we want 5 seconds, okay? And I'm gonna hit start. So you can see it starts running, and alert. Okay, to stop that. Okay, and you can also hit cancel. So if I start, I can cancel this right here, okay? Now, what about the sound? As you can see right here, it says when timer ends, play Cosmic Alert. Okay, I'm gonna click that and we can change this. Right here in this section, we have the available tones. Right here, as you can see, the Cosmic one is the one that's selected. You can scroll down, you see we have all these options, right? If I wanted, for example, to select, I don't know, Apex, the button right here where it says set. And now, as you can see right here, it says Apex. Now, I'm gonna go back again because I wanted to show you something. As you can see, the first option says Tone Store. If you hit that, you have the ability to purchase certain tones, which can be a little bit more fun. So right here where you can see the featured ones, you have your R2-D2 tones from Star Wars. I will get into more detail in another video, but I just wanted to quickly show you what is available. Okay, I'm gonna hit back. Okay, and that's it, guys. I hope this was helpful. Please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for my other videos. Cheers.